Video SEO. So in this topic, you would be learning how to optimize your videos for SEO. People like to watch videos instead of reading text, and it's no wonder that YouTube is the second largest search engine in the world. So similar to images, videos have their own schema markup and sitemap format. Both are essential in helping Google understand what your video is about so that it is indexed properly and a candidate for higher visibility. So what are video schema markups? Video schema markups, it's not visible to users, but it's used by search engines when indexing your videos. So if we look at the example below, you see what it actually looks like. You see how you try to actually talk about the video so that search engines or speak search engine language when talking about your video. So we also talked about sitemaps. So you need to be able to have your video sitemaps. We've already talked about tools like Yoast SEOs and others that you can actually use to implement this very easily. So how do you add a video schema on your website? So there are two ways that you can actually do this. The first way, you can hire a developer to make the necessary configurations to your template and provide you with shortcodes that you can use to wrap your videos with structured data. The second way is to use a plugin. So if you're on WordPress, the most reliable plugin that you can actually use is the Video SEO plugin by Yoast. So it's not a free plugin, but it's one of the best plugins that can do both the task of efficiently and easily optimizing your video. So since both these tasks, adding schemas, data, and creating a video sitemap require programming knowledge, I suggest that you make use of the plugin. So this will save you a lot of time and also save you money in the long run. So what are some of the best practices for video SEOs? You use meaningful titles and description in your video related tags. Don't forget that these are tags that search engines would use to understand what your video is about. Title and description have to be unique for each and every video you add to your website. Specify a location for the video thumbnail, making sure that the size is at least 160 by 90. So the thumbnail may be used in the search results together with other information about your video. So video SEO best practices continue. So you can also create a dedicated page for each of your videos. The page should have proper schema markups. We already said you could use plugins to get this working for you. Check your robots.txt and make sure that Google can access the video. Check the video expiry date and make sure that this is not in the past. Once you submit your video sitemap, log into your Google Search Console and check if there are any problems with indexing the video. So what are some of the key learnings from video optimization and SEO? Number one, video SEO is a complicated task. So as a first step, you need to make sure that any video you embed in your context are added using relevant schema. Next, create a video sitemap and submit to Google in addition to your XML sitemap. So for more in-depth information, you can also read the guide from Google. You click the link and you can go and read this guide. So thanks for being part of this video on video SEO. We will see you in the next video.